Are you looking for a wonderful building in a small town in Central West Texas to start a new business? Well, we have a great building that has just come to the market in Mertzon, Texas, Erie County, just 20 miles southwest of San Angelo on Highway 67. We have lots of oil field traffic and wind tower traffic. Lots of traffic on Highway 67 going out towards the west and then back to San Angelo every day. So high traffic count, nice large building would make a great place for a barbecue joint, a dance hall, sandwich shop. Mertzon doesn't have any food after about 2 o'clock in the afternoon during the week and nothing on the weekends. So it would be really nice to have a restaurant here. I think it would do well. So check out the video and holler at us if we can show you the property or help you in any other way. I'm Michelle Rushing, broker for M&M Ranchland Investments.